glitter. It's a word that instantly conjures images of sparkle, shine, and a bit of magic. Whether it's the twinkle in a child's eye when they see something glittery, or the sophisticated shimmer on a glamorous evening gown, glitter has a universal appeal that transcends age and culture. It's synonymous with celebration, glamour, and a touch of rebellion. Think of the most memorable parties, the most iconic fashion moments, and the most daring makeup looks. Glitter is often at the heart of these unforgettable experiences, adding that extra layer of excitement and allure. From Cleopatra's mesmerizing eye makeup to the dazzling stage looks of our favorite pop icons, glitter has always held a special place in the world of beauty. Cleopatra, the queen of ancient Egypt, was known for her dramatic and enchanting eye makeup, which often included finely ground minerals that shimmered in the light. Fast forward to the modern era, and you'll find pop icons like David Bowie and Lady Gaga using glitter to create bold, unforgettable looks that push the boundaries of conventional beauty. There's something undeniably captivating about a beautifully executed glitter eye. It's not just about the sparkle, it's about the way it catches the light, the way it draws attention to the eyes, and the way it can transform a simple look into something extraordinary. A well-applied glitter eye can be the focal point of your entire makeup look, making your eyes appear larger, brighter, and more expressive. It can instantly elevate your look, adding a touch of magic and sparkle. Whether you're heading to a festival, a night out, or just want to add a bit of fun to your everyday makeup, glitter eyes are a fantastic choice. They can be as subtle or as bold as you like, allowing you to express your personality and creativity. But let's be honest, traditional glitter application can be messy. Anyone who has ever used loose glitter knows the struggle of trying to keep it in place. It has a mind of its own, often ending up everywhere except where you want it. Your cheeks, your clothes, and even your floor can become unintended victims of a glitter explosion. Loose glitter has a tendency to scatter like confetti on New Year's Eve. It's beautiful, but it can be a nightmare to clean up. And once it's on your skin, it can be incredibly difficult to remove. This is one of the main reasons why some people shy away from using glitter in their makeup routine, despite loving the look. But fear not, fellow glitter enthusiasts. There are ways to enjoy the beauty of glitter without the mess. With the right techniques and products, you can achieve stunning glitter eyes that stay in place and look fabulous all day or night. It's all about knowing the tricks of the trade and being prepared. I'm here to share my tried and true techniques for achieving stunning, mess-free glitter eyes. From using glitter primers to choosing the right type of glitter, there are several steps you can take to ensure your glitter stays put. I'll also show you how to apply it precisely, so you get the look you want without the hassle. With a few simple tips and tricks, you'll be rocking dazzling eye looks without the fear of looking like you just walked through a glitter storm. So get ready to embrace the sparkle and let your eyes shine like never before. Whether you're a glitter novice or a seasoned pro, these techniques will help you achieve the perfect glitter eye every time. Before we dive into the application process, let's gather our essential tools for mess-free glitter application. Having the right gear can make all the difference in achieving a flawless, dazzling look. So let's make sure we have everything we need before we start. Don't worry, we won't need anything too fancy. Just a few key items that will help us create a stunning glitter look without any hassle. First and foremost, you'll need your star of the show, fine glitter. Fine glitter is perfect for creating a smooth, sophisticated finish that catches the light beautifully. It's versatile and can be used for a variety of looks, from subtle shimmer to full-on glam. I find that finely milled glitter adheres better and creates a smoother, more sophisticated finish. Coarse glitter can be fun, but it often doesn't stick as well and can look chunky. Fine glitter, on the other hand, blends seamlessly and gives a more polished appearance. Next, a good glitter primer is an absolute must-have. This product is essential for ensuring that your glitter stays in place and doesn't end up all over your face. A good primer will create a tacky base that the glitter can adhere to, making it last longer and look more vibrant. This magical potion acts like a glue, gripping onto the glitter and preventing fallout throughout the day or night. It's especially important if you're planning to wear your glitter look for an extended period, as it will help keep everything in place and looking fresh. To create a seamless base for our glitter, we'll need an eyeshadow base. This product helps to even out the skin tone on your eyelids and provides a smooth canvas for the glitter to cling to. It also helps to intensify the color of the glitter, making it pop even more. This will help to even out the skin tone on your eyelids and provide a smooth canvas for the glitter to cling to. An eyeshadow base can also help to prevent creasing and ensure that your glitter look stays flawless throughout the day. Last but not least, a trusty setting spray will be our secret weapon for locking in the look and ensuring long-lasting sparkle. A setting spray helps to seal everything in place, preventing your glitter from fading or smudging. It's the final step in our glitter application process and will help to keep your look fresh and vibrant for hours. With these essential tools in hand, you're now ready to create a stunning glitter look that will turn heads and make you shine. So, gather your gear and let's get started on this glittery adventure. Now that we have our tools ready, it's time to dive into the exciting process of prepping our lids for some serious sparkle. First things first, we need to ensure our eyelids are clean and free of any oils or old makeup. This step is crucial because it helps the products we apply later to adhere better and last longer. Start by applying your favorite eyeshadow primer all over your eyelids. This primer acts as a base that not only intensifies the color of your eyeshadow, but also prevents creasing throughout the day. Make sure to blend the primer evenly across your lids, reaching from the lash line to just above the crease. This will create a smooth and even base for the glitter to adhere to. Next, take a small amount of glitter primer and gently dab it onto your eyelids. This step is essential for ensuring that the glitter stays in place and doesn't fall out throughout the day. Instead of rubbing it in, use a patting motion to evenly distribute the primer. Focus on the areas where you want the most intense glitter payoff, such as the center of your eyelid or the inner corners. Allow the primer to set for a minute or two before moving on to the next step. This waiting period ensures that the primer becomes tacky, which is perfect for holding on to the glitter particles. With your lids prepped and ready, you're now all set to add that dazzling sparkle. Remember, the key to a stunning glitter look is all in the preparation. So take your time with these steps, and you'll be rewarded with a look that lasts all day and night. While the glitter primer is setting, let's grab our eyeshadow base. Choose a shade that complements your glitter color or opt for a neutral shade like beige or champagne. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, apply the eyeshadow base all over your eyelid, blending it out towards the crease. This base will not only create a smooth canvas for the glitter, but will also help to intensify the glitter's sparkle. By layering glitter on top of a similar eyeshadow shade, you'll enhance its vibrancy and dimension. Section 5. The art of glitter application. Now comes the fun part, applying the glitter. Take your fine glitter and gently tap a small amount into the lid of the container. This will help to prevent any accidental glitter explosions. Dip a small, flat brush into the glitter, tapping off any excess. Here's the key to mess-free glitter application. Pat, don't rub. Gently pat the glitter onto your eyelids, starting from the center and working your way outwards. This will ensure that the glitter adheres evenly and minimizes fallout. Section 6. The magic tape trick. Even with the most careful application, a little bit of glitter fallout is almost inevitable, but don't fret. We have a secret weapon tape. Yes, you read that right. Take a small piece of clear tape and gently press it onto any areas with fallen glitter. The tape will pick up the stray glitter particles like magic, leaving your skin clean and free of sparkle debris. This trick is a lifesaver, especially when working with darker glitter shades that tend to show up more on the skin. Section 7. Setting your sparkle for the night. Our glitter eyes are looking dazzling, but we need to ensure they stay put all night long. This is where our trusty setting spray comes in. Hold the bottle about arm's length away from your face and mist your eyelids with a light layer of setting spray. The setting spray will not only lock your glitter in place, but will also help to meld the glitter with the eyeshadow base, creating a seamless and long-lasting finish. Section 8. Cleanup crew. Keeping it tidy. Now that our glitter eyes are complete, let's take a moment to appreciate our handiwork and address any lingering glitter fallout. If you used the tape trick earlier, your under-eye area should be relatively clean. However, it's always a good idea to do a final sweep with a fluffy brush to ensure every last speck of glitter is gone. You can also use a damp cotton swab to clean up any smudges or stray glitter particles. Section 9. Sparkle on. And there you have it. Flawless, mess-free glitter eyes. With a little practice and the right techniques, you can rock this dazzling eye look without the fear of a glitter explosion. Remember, the key is to use a good glitter primer, apply the glitter with a patting motion, and always have your trusty tape on standby. So go ahead, experiment with different glitter colors and finishes. Have fun with it and let your creativity shine. Because when it comes to glitter, more is always more. Sparkle on, my friends.